The President of the United Arab Emirates, Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, has stated that the country is currently in a time of war while assuring citizens and residents that the nation is fully prepared to defend itself against any threats. His remarks, the first public statement since Iran launched missiles at Gulf targets amid ongoing strikes involving the United States and Israel, were made during a visit on Friday to individuals injured in the attacks. The comments were later broadcast on Abu Dhabi TV on Saturday. Emphasizing the country's readiness to face aggression, Mohammed bin Zayed said the UAE would not be an easy target. The UAE has thick skin and bitter flesh. We are no easy prey, he said, adding that the leadership would fulfill its responsibility to protect the nation, its people and residents. He highlighted that the UAE, a federation comprising 7 emirates including Dubai and Abu Dhabi, remains committed to ensuring the safety of everyone living in the country. An Emirati official also urged an immediate halt to what he described as Iranian aggression against non-combatant Gulf states. The official said any escalation of the conflict was concerning and stressed the need to prevent the war from expanding across the region. He added that Iran's attacks on neighboring states were counterproductive. The official further noted that any future negotiations with Iran would likely go beyond nuclear issues, with missile capabilities now becoming a central concern in regional security discussions. Meanwhile, the UAE Ministry of Defense confirmed on X that the country's air defense systems were actively responding to incoming missile and drone threats from Iran. Authorities have also initiated preparedness for national resilience, including strengthening food stockpiles and facilities. The official added that support from France has been significant, with Rafale fighter jets deployed early and continuing patrols to intercept missiles and drones. UAE leaders reiterated that safeguarding the country and its residents remains their top priority while efforts continue to gradually restore normalcy.